Title: Role of Unmanaged Landfills in Greenhouse Gas Emissions and Climate Change in India. Unmanaged landfills are a growing environmental concern in India and play a major role in increasing greenhouse gas emissions. Every day, Indian cities generate more than 150,000 tons of solid waste, and a large portion of it ends up in open, unscientific dumps. When organic waste, like food scraps, paper and plant materials, decomposes without oxygen, it releases methane, CH4, a greenhouse gas that is about 28 times more potent than carbon dioxide in trapping heat. These open dumps are often left uncovered and unmanaged, which means the gases produced escape freely into the atmosphere. According to environmental studies, landfills contribute nearly 20% of global methane emissions, and in India, this number is rising each year due to rapid urbanization and lack of proper waste segregation. Apart from methane, landfills also emit carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and other volatile organic compounds that contribute to air pollution and global warming. The leachate, a toxic liquid formed when rainwater mixes with decomposing waste, pollutes soil and groundwater, creating serious health and environmental hazards. One of the biggest problems is lack of waste segregation. In most Indian households, biodegradable, recyclable, and non-recyclable wastes are mixed together. As a result, recyclable materials like plastics and metals end up buried, while organic matter rots and emits methane. The practice of burning waste in landfills to reduce volume adds to the problem, releasing carbon monoxide, black carbon, and dioxins into the air. Unmanaged landfills not only accelerate climate change but also create local issues, unpleasant odors, breeding of flies and rodents, and frequent landfill fires that further release harmful gases. Areas around major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru have become landfill hotspots, with methane concentrations high enough to pose fire or explosion risks. If we continue with the current waste disposal practices, these emissions will increase sharply in the coming years. But there are effective and achievable solutions. Possible solutions and recommendations. 1. Segregation at source. Encourage every household and institution to separate biodegradable, recyclable, and hazardous waste. This simple step prevents organic matter from ending up in landfills. 2. Composting and biogas plants. Organic waste can be composted to produce manure or processed in biogas plants to generate renewable energy instead of methane emissions. 3. Scientific landfill management. Existing landfills should be covered, lined, and equipped with methane capture systems. The captured methane can be converted into electricity or used as cooking gas. 4. Recycling and circular economy. Promote collection, sorting, and recycling of plastics, metals, and paper to reduce the amount of waste going to landfills. 5. Government and community action. Implement and strengthen policies under the Solid Waste Management Rules, 2016, and the Swachh Bharat Mission, ensuring municipalities adopt scientific methods. 6. Public awareness. Conduct campaigns in schools, communities, and social media about how improper waste handling contributes to climate change. 7. Innovation and technology. Support startups and local governments that develop smart waste monitoring, AI-based segregation, and waste-to-energy projects. By turning waste into a resource and managing landfills scientifically, India can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and contribute to climate resilience. The future depends on the steps we take today, because every unmanaged landfill is not just a pile of waste, but a silent source of climate pollution.